Today I'm going to model using the links strategy. Everyone put your links note card on your desk that we made last week and follow along with me. First, I'm going to model the entire links process using the word biome. Then I'm going to model it a second time and have you guys help me fill in the blanks and work through the process with me. First, I'm going to divide the note card into 5 sections, 2 on the front and 3 on the back. The first letter in links is L. L stands for list the parts, and that refers to the word and the definition in my own words. I'm going to use the word biome and write it on the top front section of the card. Next, I'm going to look up the definition for biome. I found that a biome is a large region of Earth that has a certain climate and certain types of living things. I'm going to put the important parts of this definition into my own words for biome. I think I'm going to say that a biome is a place that has specific qualities and specific groups of living things. I'm going to write that on the top section of the back of the card. I'm going to put a check next to the letter L to let myself know that I have finished that section. So the next section in the word links is I. I stands for identifying a reminding word, so I'm going to brainstorm words that remind me of biome. My first thought is biology, but I don't feel so confident using that word. So I'm going to use the word home, which is a little bit shorter of a word. Home reminds me of biome because a biome is an animal's home. So I'm going to write home on the bottom section of the front of the card and put a check mark next to I to show myself that I have finished that section. The next letter in links is N, which stands for note a linking story. All animals have a home in a specific area that meets their needs. This reminds me of a biome because that is the home that meets the animal's needs. So I'm going to write under section N, all animals have a home in a specific area that meets their needs. And I'm going to write that sentence in the bottom left-hand section on the back of the card. I'm going to put a check mark next to N to show myself that I have finished that section. So the next section in links is C. C stands for creating a linking picture. Let me think what I can draw. I'm trying to think of something that will help me remember biome and biome's definition and the reminding word. I think I can draw a frog in its biome with lily pads and water and flies. That's where a frog lives, and so therefore a frog's biome would be a lily pad pond. Now I'm going to move on to the last letter in links, which is S. S stands for self-test. Now that my card is all filled out, I'm going to quiz myself and see if I can remember all of the items I just wrote on my card. So I'm going to start with biome, which I know is my word. It reminds me of home. It reminds me of my sentence, which is all animals have a home in a specific area that meets their needs. I remember my picture is a frog in a lily pond, which is its biome. And that means that biome means a place that has specific qualities and specific groups of living things. Now I'm going to look at my card and check my work. Okay, so if I missed any categories, I will go over those and I know that's something I need to work on. And if I got them all right, then I know that word and I'll probably review it a few more times before the quiz.